So welcome to a new STUFR, and today we're in Chinatown, New York, and we found a very special ice cream shop. And it's called the Chinatown Ice Cream Factory, and they make all these different types of flavors of ice cream, and we love ice cream. So we are going to go inside and see what they have on offer today.
Anybody else ready here?
Less than 90 seconds.
Hi, yes, can I get?
So I got lychee ice cream, pandan ice cream. I love pandan, so I'm hoping this is really good. And ginger ice cream. So let's see. I think the first one's ginger. Different. Ginger. Definitely ginger. It's actually quite good. I love ginger tea, so. I'll go back to you when I got to the second flavor, which is pandan. Okay, see you in a minute. This ginger flavor is amazing. So, but I have to try the pandan as well. Also very special. I don't know how to describe it. Yeah, it tastes like pandan. You know the pandan stuff that you can spread on your little buns when you're in Thailand, for instance. They have these sweet buns with pandan in between. This is what it tastes like. I think I do prefer the ginger over the pandan for now. And I'll have to see when I get to the lychee. It's a big bucket. We took 3 scoops because we wanted to try all these different flavors. Normally I would say 2 scoops is more than enough, because look at what a cup full of ice cream I got, but it's good ice cream. Now for the lychee. This is just what I would expect. It's very sweet, very nice. The ice cream here is amazing. It's nice and soft and creamy. Definitely go here. It's on Bayard and Mott Street, on the corner of Bayard and Mott in Chinatown, New York. So have a look around, enjoy the many flavors and the very friendly people that work in the shop. So enjoy. So this was by far the best ice cream that I ate in New York City. Better than the gay ice cream, which is in another video. I preferred the ginger flavor. That was the best for me. But I must say I also tasted a little bit from my boyfriend's ice cream, and he had pumpkin pie, which was amazing as well. I actually was kind of bummed out that I didn't choose that myself. And he had black sesame, which was also very special, and quite a new taste that I haven't tasted before. But for me, the ginger flavor was the best. So thumbs up for if you like this STUFR, and thanks for watching, and see you on another STUFR. Want to see me stuff more food in my mouth? Subscribe to my channel or watch another STUFR.